IVF means in vitro fertilization. In that, the egg and sperms are fertilized by an embryology outside your fallopian tubes. It is not done naturally inside the body. But that doesn't mean that it is an unnatural process. It is just an assistance that we are doing for your reproduction. In that, when a couple visits us, the couple is not having baby, the couple is visiting us for a baby. First and foremost, we need to check, do the investigations, take a clinical history, because many times many things are hidden in your clinical history. After taking the clinical history, we will advise you various investigations, like whether the ovulatory problems are there, the ovulation is problematic, the eggs are problematic, or there is problem with the fallopian tubes or the uterine factors, or there many times there are autoimmune factors also, means your body is creating antibodies against yourself, or there is a male factor, there is some problem with the semen. So there are basic and advanced tests for all these disorders. And in spite of this also, there are some patients who are having unexplained problems, means all the reports are normal, still they are not getting pregnant. So these patients also, they need IVF. So don't be scared. The IVF is a very safe process, in that after doing all these investigations, then we come to a conclusion that whether you need IVF directly, or you need to go for some rejuvenation processes, some medical treatment, some surgical treatment for preparation of your body. It's like when you're giving an exam, you're preparing yourself. So IVF is also like an exam, because you are making a baby, you're going to have a baby. So before that, we need to prepare your body. After preparation of your body, many times you're already fit. When we do your day 2 to day 5 tests, many times it comes fit. So in that case, we start the stimulation. Start it like that only, without the preparation. Your body doesn't need that much preparation. And then we extract the eggs after giving you injections for 8 to 10 days. Those are ovulation induction injections. So these hormones that are given in the injectable form, they are naturally present in the body. So 1x is naturally present in the body. Obviously we have to grow it to 8x, 10x according to your eggs, and according to your reports how your eggs are responding to these ovulation induction injections. We have to escalate the dose of the injections. Finally, the day comes when we take out your eggs. So for that, you can see my video for egg collection. After that, those eggs are fertilized with the sperm, either through IVF or ICSI procedure. The embryos are made, and then finally they are transferred back into the uterus, maybe after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days or 5 days of the egg collection. So this is the whole process of IVF, and finally after the embryo transfer, you can see the beta HCG levels, whether you are pregnant or not, after 15 days of the embryo transfer, or 12 days if you are doing a blastocyst. So this is the overall process, and then subsequently we have to see the growth. For the embryo transfer process, you can see my video. Many times what happens, the embryo transfer is not done in the same cycle. We do a frozen transfer. You can see all the videos of semen freezing, egg freezing, embryo freezing, thawing, so that the anxiety level is gone. Once you see these videos, and once you are coming to the lab, it is like you are already prepared for the process, and it gives us a good success rate. So by this, you please be like relaxed, don't take any tension, any worries, and come on the journey of parenthood. So it is very important for you to become a parent as soon as possible, and don't be scared, and get a IVF cycle done. It is a totally natural process.